Hello, I'm Nick D'Angelo. I'm a patient coordinator here at Sponaugle Wellness Institute, and this is...
I'm Jay.
Jay is a now graduated patient. He's on his way out, and we just wanted to talk about a little bit of what had been going on, what had transpired in your life, and where you are now. So tell us, Jay, what are you treating here for?
I came to Sponaugle Wellness in January. I knew I had Lyme disease. I knew I had some mold. I learned about some genetic issues that I had while I was here as well that were affecting my ability to detoxify, and others that were affecting my brain chemistry, things that in years and years of just seeing multiple doctors, I never learned. No one ever told me, didn't know why I was struggling so hard. But I found out it was just a combination of things that were really affecting my immune system's ability to really work, including my ability to absorb food. When I came here, they even had a measurement on my food absorption rate, and it was horrible. And just found out so many things.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
So what would you say when you came in? What did you know compared to kind of when you sat in that first consultation? You talked to Dr. Sponaugle. What kind of proportions did he present as far as what was your main problem, or what was the conglomerate of problems? What was the big issue with you?
Well, I came in thinking that Lyme was my main problem, and I knew I had Lyme because I had done testing and had spent years. Everybody was trying to get Lyme and fight Lyme, but it turns out Lyme wasn't my main problem. My main problem was I had black mold, and I had a lot of it. And also I had the okra toxin, and that was a problem. And I didn't know why my gut was so messed up, but it was the black mold. Was messing up my gut. My body's immune system had no ability. It wasn't getting the nutrition. I wasn't able to fight properly. I wasn't detoxing well. So yeah, it was amazing how quickly they were able to find out what was wrong and then target those areas, and just breaking up the biofilm and detoxifying and starting to let the body's immune system start to work again, and it's like getting a breath of air in your body, and your body gets that energy. That's what I started to notice after about 2 to 3 weeks here. I was like, okay, it's me again. I felt dead. I started to feel like I was dying, and I felt dead. But and that had even to do with the brain chemistry. And then being able to correct my brain chemistry, which was affected by all the mold and the toxins and the transmitters not working properly. It's been amazing. No one could have done it in all these multiple places I was going to, but coming to this one place and managing everything, it's just, I don't think there's any place like it.
Well, let's talk about symptoms.
Yeah.
Obviously, you got sick in 2010 or before then?
Yeah. In 2010 is when I got bit by a tick. I did not get the bullseye rash. So I went for about a year undetected, going to doctors, finally was diagnosed with fibromyalgia.
And so symptomatically, when you arrived here, where were you at versus maybe where you are now at this point?
Yeah, when I came, I was constantly exhausted. No ability very little ability to be out of the house for more than 2 hours was really almost too much for me. I couldn't do it. So I was tired all the time. I was anxiety, really strong anxiety over everything. I had brain fog. I would get dizzy. My balance was getting bad. I was finding myself not, trying to hide it from everyone. So, but yeah, a lot of, boy, the list goes so long. Sometimes I go, oh yeah, remember that? Because I don't have it all anymore.
Right.
So it's like, oh yeah, I used to have this problem and that problem, and I couldn't think. I was losing words when I would think. A word wouldn't come to my mind. So you try to fake it, try to come up with, you know. But yeah, it was affecting my mind in many ways, and my body, and also just wasn't enjoying life. You know?
And so where are you today comparatively on a lot of those things?
Yeah, I feel like I have made amazing improvements, and you know, it's really, for me, it's really hard to quantify, because you're changing a little bit over. I've been here for over 5 months, so you're changing a little bit at a time, but it's movement in the right direction. So now I have to go back and go, oh yeah, I was way over here and now I'm here, and maybe I need to get over to here a little bit more, but man, have I made improvement, and now my body's back in the battle, and that's, to me, is amazing.
Yeah.
And my body's actually fighting again, my immune system's working great. So yeah.
So what's your outlook? Looking on, what are you going back to? Are you?
Well, I have 4 kids, and I love my children, and I am excited to be a dad, to be able to like go to karate with them and their baseball games, and yeah.
Awesome. That's incredible. If you had one thing, you know, maybe just try all the things, all the optimism, all that.
Yeah.
If you had one thing that you could say to a prospective patient, or someone who's considering this, what would that be? What would you try to communicate to them?
I would start by saying, don't lose hope. The answers are here. You know, the answers are here. They understand what to do. I knew in my own heart, after I'd done the research, that if Sponaugle Wellness couldn't help me, I probably wasn't going to get the help I needed. And I believe, you know, it's been an amazing journey, and I believe if anyone is at that level, they're that critical, they're going to do the research. They're going to understand that there's not places out there like this. And to me that should encourage them. It should encourage them that there is a place that they can get help. And the mold, the Lyme, the Bartonella, whatever it is that you have, the Babesia, those things can be dealt with. And the body is amazing. When they do the right things, the body responds.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so it's been encouraging, and I'm encouraged to go home. I know I've got a little journey left, but I believe I'm excited, and I'm excited to be a dad again.
Yeah.
I feel like I can participate now in life.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Well, Jay, thank you, sir. We're so excited about your story. So excited that you're getting out of here. You get to go home.
Yeah, get to go home.
So this is really exciting. So
yeah.
Thank you, and this is just just another day at Sponaugle Wellness, where we're seeing lives heal.